Discover new gifts you didn't know you have. This is just a reminder to each and every one of us that we all have new gifts you didn't know you have. Discover that within you. Be bold and take the next step of faith into the new level of favor into your life. You have that hidden gifts. You have that hidden talents God put into your heart. Try to excel it with the blessings of God and His grace. You can make it to take the step of faith into the new label of favor in your life.